All right, another one here. Last one, actually. This one I like. This woman had a stone in her garden that she had been using just as a stepping stone for like 20 years, something like that. Flipped it over on a whim and noticed it had some pretty unusual markings on it. Comes to find out, some random stone in her garden is actually an artifact dated to the 2nd century AD and is valued at somewhere around $20,000.
It's where she keeps her spare keys.
It's crazy. Look at that thing. It has the inscription on it.
Yeah.
Now, she's in the UK. She's been using that stone for 10 years in her English garden. And the engraving on there is a Roman engraving that she, I guess, never saw. However, they did an analysis on it and figured that probably didn't come from Rome. You know, the Roman Empire, they kind of got around back then. So they think it either came from Greece or Asia Minor, which is Turkey today. But they have no idea how it made its way all the way from there to England. I mean, they have some ideas, but they're just not certain how it ended up in her garden, how she happened to be the one to unearth it. They're actually looking for more information right now in order to figure that out. It was unearthed from a rock garden in White Parish, southern England, 20 years ago, according to Woolley and Wallace. Those are the guys trying to figure out the origin and give it a value. The woman who owns the stable used the mud-covered stone for a decade as a mounting block. That's, you attach your horse to it. As a mounting block, I presume.
Mounting block.
Yeah, check that out. Mounting block horse. There's a horse involved. Oh, you step on it to mount the horse. An archaeologist who assessed the slab revealed that it was a rare find. The inscription on the rock reads, "The people and the young men honor Demetrius, son of Metrodoros, the son of Lucios." Wow. That's so cool. Imagine finding that in your garden, man. You'll never know the exact history, but you have a brush with the past, a brush with an era, a long gone era.
What would you do with it?
Well, the fact that she's trying to get it evaluated, does that imply that she's going to sell it?
Sell it?
I don't think I would. The story is cool.
Yeah. Or would this be automatically be brought to like a museum or something?
I think she could donate it to a museum for sure.
Yeah.
But I don't know about the historical significance of it, right? It's not around a certain battle or something. It seems like almost a gift or something. The way the inscription is, that it's some sort of an honor. I don't know. Was it a part of a wall?
Nice, cool designs.
Yeah, that's
like
the Roman type of inscription over there. But anyways, moral of the story here, Will. You never know what you're going to find. And never underestimate things that are hiding and could be hiding in plain sight.